In the food and beverage industry, empowering employees is essential to ensure compliance with standards like FSSC 22000, BRC, and ISO 22000. With highly regulated processes, every training session needs to be carefully planned, executed, and documented. SoftExpert offers an all-in-one solution to streamline the entire training management process. Identify specific needs based on distinct job roles, established processes, or critical legal requirements, ensuring that each and every employee receives precisely the training they truly need to perform their duties with utmost excellence. Register courses by defining information such as evaluation templates, mandatory prerequisites, instructors, and even the educational institution, if applicable. This ensures consistency in the structure of trainings and standardization of all content. When assembling the content, include videos, articles, operational procedures, and even the quality manual, making it easier to access valuable materials that are aligned with the company's processes. Plan the training by setting dates, participants, costs, and resources, keeping full control over deadlines and budgets, all in one platform. The tool notifies employees about the training, which can be conducted in person or through e-learning directly on the platform. After completion, participants take the assessment and issue their certificate directly through the tool, saving time and reducing rework in the validation process. Attendance, assessments, and evidence are all recorded for audits and reports, eliminating parallel spreadsheets and making it easier to prove compliance. With the student portal, employees can view trainings, track their entire history, register, and complete courses in a fully automated way, ensuring autonomy and professional development and reducing the administrative workload for HR and quality departments. With SoftExpert, your training management is faster, safer, and auditable. Request a demo and take your business to the next level.